Here we have some interesting views of Ollie in the rain back at the gate. So here at the beginning, I'm working to see if I can get him to rock his body back over his feet and not just be stepping because I push his body, but actually raise his neck a little bit, rock back a little bit, and then move his feet. So in the beginning, he's not as responsive as he could be, and he loses some cadence in his diagonalization, and his front legs are a bit more sloped back than I would like. And as I go to take the pressure up and back on his mouth, the neck doesn't really respond very much, but I just keep going step at a time and a step and see if he'll feel me coming, lift his neck a little bit, rock his body back like he did right there, just a bit, and then step his feet if he'll let me change his balance as we're rocking back. Now we'll see that from the rear. He's quite good at staying basically straight, but we get to see as I push through, can I push all the way through to the hind feet and keep a diagonalization going? And basically he steps, but he's late behind. He's not really connecting all the way through. And then after this pass through, we get to see his second time through where he was more responsive. I could be a little bit more able to pause on the go because he was more responsive. So we get to see the improvement from one to the other as we go back. So, but at the beginning, it's going to start just this slow with pausing and going to then, once we repeat, and here you see I can be a little bit more energetic. He lifts his neck a little bit more. The feet are just a bit more spontaneous. The hind legs are a little bit lowered, a little bit sitting his stifles forward and lowering his hip, raising his back a little bit. And this is just from one time to the next. And we watch that one from the rear again, and we see, because of him starting to let his stifles come forward and lower behind, he's a bit more left and right. He's not quite as stable, and he sort of saunters back a little bit, but it's not bad. He stays pretty straight.